Okay, that was 140 cubic inches of raw horsepower. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, another quick episode from Scrapyard Rescue. What I want to talk about today is it's a future project, a couple future projects coming up down the line here. I got to tell you the backstory on this before I can show you what I'm talking about. But about a month ago, I was going up to Lakeview to that old car lot that I did a couple videos on, and a couple miles out the road, there's a wrecking yard out there, and it's a big, giant wrecking yard. But every time I've gone by there, the gate's been locked up, so I've never been able to go in there and see what's going on. Well, that day I went by, the gate was open, and I thought, I'm going in there. So I cruised in there, drove around. The place is huge, and I finally found some guys working in there and talked to them about it. They said they weren't quite open yet. The guy had to do a couple things before they would issue him his license and stuff to start working. Well, I asked him, I said, well, by chance, do you have any parts for a 65 Ford Fairlane 500? And he goes, well, what do you need? And I said, well, I told him, I said, I need a bumper and, some other stuff and, just a few things. And the fender finishers I'm looking for, I need and stuff. He goes, actually, yeah. He goes, I'm getting some cars from a guy that I'm going out to pick up at his place. He's wanting to get rid of a bunch of stuff he's got sitting around. And he's got a Ford Fairlane out there, a four-door. And I was like, you're kidding me. He goes, no, I'm going to go get it. So in about a week later, I talked to him. He goes, yeah, I went and got it. It's over here at the shop. So I took off up there and went to look at it. And I couldn't believe it. I come driving in and I see this car sitting there and I'm like, are you kidding me? This is too hard to believe. So when you see the pictures, you'll understand what I mean. But I talked to the guy and he says, yeah, he's got a title for this car. And he goes, I was talking to him about the car that you've got, and he says he thinks he's got the title for my car that I have here, my project. He sold it to someone in the town where the little scrapyard I go and show all the videos on all the old stuff in there that I got my car out of. He sold it to a guy in that town. The guy never ever came back and got the title from him, and he said he never ever saw whatever happened to the car ever again. So he's going to dig through his stack of old titles and possibly find the title for the car I've got. But I guess that's enough of the talking and the babbling here about the project I got. I'll show you the pictures of it. I've already made a deal on this car. It's my car. We gotta work out the fine details and stuff. The guy actually wants me to do some work for him up there at his wrecking yard. Wants me to, a guy that he can have come and pull parts or fix up some old cars he's got, take parts off of ones that are totaled and put them on parts that are cars that aren't totaled and get the cars running, and then he's going to resell them and stuff. So anyways, he wants me to do that, so we're hashing out the details on that. But the car's, for all extended purposes, is my car. And the second car he's got is basically, if he gets that car's mine too, because I already told him. So let's go ahead and get to the pictures of this new project. Watch this video to all the way to the end. Don't shut it off here while I'm just babbling. And but wait till you see the pictures and see what I'm talking about. This is just kind of incredible. So let's get to those pictures. Okay, there you go. Can you believe it? I'm looking for parts for a car, and I stumble across a 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 four-door, white in color, missing the rear bumper. The exact same car I got, and it's supposed to have a title along with the title for my car. And the second one I don't have the pictures of, but I'll go ahead and just tell you what that one is too. And then when I get that one, I'll do a video on that one. But the other one is a 1965 Ford Fairlane 500. It's a two-door though, so that's the one I want. I really want a two-door. This other four-door, as you can see, is in a lot better shape than the one I got is. So I'm not stripping any parts off of that car to put on this car. I'm just going to keep finding parts for my car I got now, and I'm going to restore that other car, and either if I get to two-door, I might sell them both and then put the money into really fixing up the two-door. I mean, getting a nice professional paint job, all that kind of stuff. Have the seats reupholstered, make it a really nice, car that I can just keep and have and park it alongside my Pinto and be kind of my little collection. But I couldn't believe that I found another car, the same thing I'm working on. Plus, I found even a better one with the same thing I'm working on. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You'll get these new videos I'm doing. You'll get a notice. I want to thank all my new subscribers and all the viewers I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of views on my videos. That's really makes me feel good. I appreciate that. To all you guys out there, keep up the good work. Keep subscribing. I'm shooting for that 1,000 mark, so I can kind of be recognized by YouTube. And the more I get, the more they'll put my videos up, and everybody will get to watch them without having to try to search, endlessly for them or something. So with that, I want to thank everybody again. We're going to end this video right here, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.